Hi guys, I am at a new place in Thane which is a restaurant and it is Karkhana 602. बट इट्स अ फैमिली प्लेस. आप यहाँ पे अपनी फैमिली के साथ में वीकडेज या वीकेंड पे यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. और वीकेंड्स पे स्पेशली इनकी खास बात ये है कि दे हैव अ लाइव म्यूजिक एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज अ पर्सन हु रीड्स योर माइंड. इजंट इट एक्साइटिंग? सो आई विल गिव यू मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस प्लेस. यहाँ का जो फूड है उसको चेकआउट करते हैं. एम्बियंस इज रियली ब्यूटिफुल and you can have the cocktails, mocktails, and you can also have a hard liquor here. I have lot of spread here on my table and varieties of things I can see here, from the starter to the soup and to the main course. हमें थोड़ा और जानते हैं. So I have chef here from Karkhana 602. इनसे जानते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या क्या सर्व किया यहाँ पे और इसका टेस्ट देखते हैं कैसा है और इसको एंजॉय करते हैं.
मैं सूप बनाया. ये मशरूम कैपेचिनो इज वन ऑफ वेरी फेमस कॉन्टिनेंटल सूप एंड देयर इज द स्टार्टर फ्रॉम तंदूर. इट इज मशरूम मुल्तानी, कॉल्ड मशरूम मुल्तानी. देयर इज अदर स्टार्टर. इट इज नॉन वेज फ्रॉम चाइनीज, ओरिएंटल, ताइचीन चिकन एंड इट इज वन ऑफ वेरी फेमस मेन कोर्स ऑफ इंडियन सेक्शन. इट इज कॉल्ड मखमली कोफ्ता and there is one sizzler. It is continental based, like it is prawns, garlic prawns.
Okay, so I can see here this is the soup. Let's start with the soup. Now I got the idea कि what all things are there on my table. And chef, I think आपने बहुत ही अच्छा बनाया होगा. दिखने में काफ़ी ये सुंदर, प्रेजेंटेबल भी काफ़ी अच्छा है.
You will enjoy it.
Yeah, definitely. So let me start with the soup. As I can see here, there are rose petals also.
Yes, exactly.
So that is garnished with rose petal. So this soup is basically
mushroom cappuccino. It is basically continental based.
So as you can see, this
cream
is
of mushroom cappuccino.
Cream of mushroom cappuccino. Very creamy it is. And is garnished with the rose petal, which is something a very new thing for me. So let me taste. It's quite hot. So let me taste this and just check out its taste, because it says it's mushroom cappuccino. Quite hot. It's really amazing taste. I can see the foam on the top of it. That I can get the bites. मशरूम के जो bites हैं वो भी इसमें आ रहे हैं. Anyways, I love this mushroom cream soup, which is one of my favorites. और बना भी बहुत अच्छा है. Yeah, really hot and still good. So next क्या try करना चाहिए? What do you suggest? What should I try next?
Next you could try this one now. It is
Mushroom.
Tandoor, mushroom.
It's made in
multani.
tandoor?
Yeah, made it in tandoor.
Okay.
It is
As
called
you can.
mushroom multani. There is stuffed paneer in mushroom.
So what is the
baked.
stuffing in this?
Paneer.
Paneer
There is
stuffing.
a,
Okay.
Paneer mixture stuffing in mushroom, and it is cooked. After marination, it is cooked in tandoor.
Okay. So you get the combination of both mushroom and paneer.
Yeah.
So if you're a lover of, I think both, जिसको पनीर भी चाहिए mushroom साथ में,
Definitely.
so they can go
both
for
can
this
get in
starter.
same plate. Yeah.
And basically you can see that again it is garnished with rose. I think rose is the theme of the day.
It is new, came up in market, and it is, I mean, going to be very famous.
Yeah, that's I think your signature touch to
Yes,
it कि आप उसको rose petal के साथ में मैं यहाँ पे देख रही हूँ कि even this starter and everything is like
Yeah,
even the giving the touch to that garnished it with
Exactly.
the rose petal. Okay.
It is just new fashion and it is look like authentic, you know.
Yeah, so it gives a very different look to it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so let me start taste this now because it's a blend of.
Give me plate on plate. No?
Yeah, I have a plate here. Just pass me this plate and spoon and have a close look of mushroom. And it is stuffed with paneer. So let's see now how it tastes. It's made in tandoor, must be, and you can see the capsicum
Yeah.
slice over it.
It's like stage by, you know.
Okay. Or generally it is like tomato and paneer and
tomato,
this. So
tomato
you have,
also you will get in that. Tomato also is there.
okay, there is a slice of tomato
Yeah,
and capsicum
yeah.
also.
Slice of tomato and capsicum.
Mm. Amazing food, chef.
Thank you so much.
Too good. I mean, it has got really touch of chef. Chef always does the miracle, I believe.
Yeah, exactly.
Because it's a very common starter if you see.
Yeah.
But you have really given it a mind-blowing
Different
taste to it.
style, like.
Yes, very different taste. I mean, it's juicy, soft, and I can get the taste of some marination.
Yeah, yeah.
And
like-
also,
like
yeah.
cardamom and all, you will get flavor.
I don't know what it is. You may be knowing your
No, it-
secrets.
You will get cardamom flavor inside in paneer.
Too good.
And basically it is yogurt based,
Okay.
hand cut based.
Okay. So yogurt marination basically.
Basically yogurt based.
Okay, so this is something a starter, a very recommended one. Not to miss it here in Karkhana 602. Too good.
Very famous.
Too good.
Very famous in Karnataka.
Mushroom.
Yeah.
So what do you suggest? What should I try next with?
Other next
So-
is other starter non-veg. It is called Thai.
Okay, so this is a magical rotating table, like whichever you want, like you can just rotate it.
Exactly.
Okay, so as I have done, I am done with the mushroom, so I'll just rotate my table and I can just go for this. This is
This is called mushroom. Thai Chin Thai. It is from
Thai
Oriental.
Chin.
Thai Chin Thai.
okay. So basically, guys, this is multi cuisine. So you can get varieties of the items other than the Indian food also. If you're an Indian food lover, definitely you get this. But this is something a chef recommended. So this is continent.
No, it is Oriental.
Oriental. Okay. So this is basically what do you have?
It
It's
is
like I can see
It
this.
is like chicken chili style, but there is something iconic things like you will get shiitake mushroom and fungus mushroom.
Huh. So this is chicken.
Yeah,
Main
this
ingredient is
This
chicken.
main ingredients is chicken.
Okay. So again, I have the rose petals here. This looks really beautiful. The garnishing thing.
Thank
So
you
that
so
is, I
much.
think, again your touch to it.
Yeah.
Because every chef has their own signature touch with they give, and this is something unique that I find here with the rose petal. Okay, let me taste this. What is the name of this starter? Like people want to come here and
It is-
order karna hai ye.
It is Thai Chin Thai only. It is basically from, Chinese we are giving name like chicken chili,
Huh.
but it is from Malaysia.
Okay.
So they have named it like Thai Chin Thai. And they made
Thai
it with
Chin.
Thai Chin Thai.
Thai. So guys, this is if you feel that you want to order this, it's not. I can say that it's chili chicken. Of course not. It's not chili chicken. This tastes really different. So it is like Thai.
Thai Chin Thai.
Thai.
TAICHIN
Okay.
KAI.
So Thai Chin Kai. So you can just taste this if you come here because you are not going to get it anywhere else. Yeah.
The word is Japanese, but it is made from Malaysia. The recipe style is from Malaysia.
Okay. So you have a blend of Malaysian thing
Yeah,
also here.
Exactly.
So you have got varieties of mushroom in this.
No, this one is fungus mushroom.
Okay.
This one.
This one is fungus
Yes,
mushroom.
exactly. Which you had already, that was shiitake.
Okay. So you have got varieties of mushroom also.
Yeah,
in this.
yes. I have butter mushroom also in that.
Okay. Should we try something? This I can see kofta.
That is main course, yeah.
Okay. So this is kofta. Kofta goes with what particularly?
It is goes with
Naan or
tandoori
something,
roti,
हाँ.
naan, and jeera rice.
Kofta, like I have
Right.
tried, so I don't know. This is.
I have very famous item over here. You
This
just
is-
tried and I'm sure
Oh
you will
my
enjoy
god,
it. lot.
I'm the lucky one to get to taste this.
You
It's
will enjoy it
the
lot, I'm
most
sure.
ordered thing here. Can I have the full name for this?
It is, we have in menu Makmali Kofta.
Okay,
Makmali
so
Kofta
this
cut.
is okay. So this is Makmali Kofta, guys. So if you want to just order, because this is again the recommendation of the chef here. So you can always even try this. Let me say.
It is like little Kashmiri style.
Okay. Gravy is. Let me try some gravy with this. Yeah. So tell me, chef, what magic you do with all these koftas that we don't get
That
anywhere
kofta,
else?
no, that kofta it is Kashmiri style. We have stuffed there in kofta. It is stuffed with paneer, cashew nut, raisin.
So you mean the spices are Kashmiri style? Because I have tried Kashmiri
Yeah,
cuisine.
yeah.
So it's spices which is Kashmiri
No,
style, or
it is actually combined dish. You know, the kofta is basically from Kashmiri style, and the
Okay.
gravy is Punjabi style.
Punjabi style. Okay,
Yeah.
so you have given the blend of Kashmir
Yes,
and
exactly,
Punjab. So it's your
exactly.
own creation
Yeah,
and
exactly.
own preparation.
Yeah, exactly.
Very good. So, most ordered thing here, which I'm going to get taste. So satisfying food, I can say.
Thank you so much.
So grateful to you to serve me this. I would have really missed the good food here. Okay, so the next thing is the main course. Even this is the main course. You can go with naan or rotis or any Indian bread, kofta especially, and then I'll just show you. Now quite heavy. It's very hot also. So you can see this. It's basically prawn sizzler and looks quite tempting. Okay, so what all things are served, which is what is included. This is basically what sizzler. If people have to order this,
It is called butter garlic prawn sizzler.
okay, whole butter garlic.
Yeah.
Yeah, butter garlic.
This one
Anyways,
all-
tastes good.
Yeah. So we have, there is both option in menu we have. One we have pre-plate and one is on the sizzler.
Okay.
So this is the sizzler.
So you serve this with the rice or something?
There is the rice you will go on bottom.
Achha, there bottom
Under
you
of
have a
this,
rice.
you will get rice.
And on the
yeah.
top you have got butter garlic
Yes,
prawns.
exactly.
Okay. Then you have capsicum,
This
which is
capsicum
again
stuffed with mashed potatoes, and there is some corn, creamy corn,
Okay.
American corn, and, French
And some
fries.
fried chip,
Yeah, French
okay.
fries and sauteed buttered vegetables.
Huh. So like it's smoky hot.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So let me try with the prawns thing. So this is butter garlic prawns. You can see the real. Still there is a smoke. That's quite hot. I think I don't know. When I try one, I feel that that's going to be my favorite. Believe me, it's
But
not.
one by
it's-
one, everything is favorite.
It's going to be very favorite because I try one and feel that I'm liking this. When I try the next one, I feel that I'm liking that. I think I like it all because it's made by only one person by you.
Thank you so much.
So maybe I think not this or that. I think it's you who does the magic and this to you. Really believe me.
Thank you so much.
It's like I have tried good sizzlers also other places,
Yeah.
but this butter garlic I had like a starter.
Mm.
But here I can make out that
you
you
had
have.
with the garlic bread and all, right?
No, it's butter garlic. This prawns as the starter.
In the starter.
I have tried already. But when you have this, I think it's a very different taste. What do you call tasty? When you tag it as tasty, so this is what you get. So this is like served with cheesy corn, some sorted veggies. It's very 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 hot. खाने का मज़ा तब होता है गरम गरम खाना तब सर्व होता है. And you have the French fries, and you can see here this is like
Very hot.
very hot, very hot. So you can enjoy this. The thing that takes my attention here right now is this butter garlic prawns. Never to miss this. If you come to this place, Talkhana 602, again I recommend this. I have all the recommendations here. And not to miss this, because the chef you can find out only this place if you come here, and it's authentic preparation. So I think many people would come to try this.
Definitely.
Because you really do the magic to what you prepare.
I would like to that. I mean, people should come and have my food.
Yeah. I don't know why people have to go to any other big restaurants when you have some good food served here. So
So ultimately,
enjoyed
you like
it.
everything, right?
Yeah,
Ultimately, you like everything.
everything.
That is it.
I started with the
Thank you
soup,
so much.
and I found that soup is too good. Some mushroom cappuccino, and believe me, I've served me my favorite. All my favorites coincidentally turned out to be my favorites. And when I moved on, and not because it's my favorite, but the preparation is really good. The taste is like really really good. When I moved from one to another, I found that I want to have all and recommend all. There's nothing that I can suggest people to go for this of any of the particular things.
Every after one item, you got to enjoy more and more, right?
Yeah, and this your rotating table is very nice that anyone can just pounce on the thing prepared by you and take their share. So thank you so much, chef, for wonderful serving
Thank
here
you.
and great food. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, so you have seen, आपने देखा कि कितना अच्छा फूड यहाँ पे मिलता है. एम्बियंस इज़ टू गुड. इट्स अ फैमिली प्लेस. और वीकडेज में भी आप आ सकते हो. वीकेंड में इनकी लाइव म्यूज़िक और बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स यहाँ पे होते हैं. इवन दो इट्स अ रेस्टो बार, यू गेट ग्रेट कॉकटेल एंड ग्रेट फूड prepared by Chef Sandeep. You can anytime visit this place and enjoy. This is location is Pach Pakadi Thane, Karthana 60. See you next time with some great food.